All right, just a quick warning first. This is for informational and educational purposes only, and you are responsible for your own trading decisions. Don't think just for informational and educational purposes only, and you are responsible for your own trading decisions. Don't think I'm gonna trade today. Um, this is just to jump in and make a note for myself. Today is a holiday. Martin Luther King. Um, so stock market's closed and everything, and even this pretty much goes out of the window. But some things I still wanna take note of. Um, so this one, not so much. This one a little bit. Um, this is AUD JPY. Um, this is inside bar, and then this uh color change or yeah, color change or bull 180, mostly color change. Right above the SMA. So it was like this, right? Um, Now it's starting to turn a little bit, but I think before it was. I kept thinking like, why is this my trade? Is this my trade? And and then, then I thought that if the SMA was something like this, right? Then maybe. So, so this, I think this could have been taken if it was, if it was, but it's still by the 200, 200 SMA. So I wouldn't take it. Not because it's holiday, but take it in general. So I did enter here in here, and then this spin bar. Then I was like, okay, maybe this is a short. But then I kept thinking that "Oh, doesn't look like my event. Short. Think I would have liked short, something like this, something like this, below SMA. So short, I would have liked below SMA, right? Not really above. Thing that usually gets me into trouble, and um, that's one. And then another thing I was thinking that it's very bullish. This I don't know how else to say that it's very bullish or it's on the front side or Insert object, trend line. I wouldn't do it with the trend line. I would never do it with the trend line. That the front side, if it closed down here, then I'm on the back side. So that's one. This was also interesting in the evening. See, jumped on M30. So this was an inside bar, right? This was a pin bar. So I did take it and I took it as this pin bar had just formed. So I had entered here and then it had gone a little bit up, back and forth, and then it closed down here, and then it came down. I had my take profit here, which I think I could have. Oh, yeah, I wanted to get out, so I'll maybe aim for this one. Um, I thought this was interesting. Uh, this one is below SMA, so that's a little bit better. Uh, this would be a pullback for this. It's closed here, taking out 1, 2, 3. I also thought that this is a perfect 3-bar reversal. Yeah, I think so. Um, because it takes out this one perfectly. A little bit, but still. So size-wise, I would say that um close enough to perfect, right? So that's one, and then from here, 30, 14. It's taking some time, right? Don't know. I'll be able to hold on to it through all this. So that's tricky. Gold was interesting. This was very interesting. So on H4, this is Friday. That's how it closed. And then this is Sunday. So jumping back to M5. Yeah, I think could have taken it. Conversion, not bad. Small. even add here or add here. And then I thought that this could be the exit. So not bad. Now it's just consolidating, right? Oil, I thought about entering, but kind of want to sell it. But I think holidays also affecting oil. This one I thought was interesting. Um, so again, this is inside bar on H4, and then I jump here. Let's see, I don't think I would be able to enter in here due to spread. Would this throw me off? Uh, Maybe a little bit, but see, this is green. Does that matter? It's a wrong color. It's the wrong color at the right location showed, right? But it's green, it's still green. So see if this had turned into red somehow, then I shouldn't be taking it. So just like here, it's turned into uh green, so I shouldn't be taking it. Although it's small, but small, but still. So pin bar from up there, right? And then this happens, right? Happens. Would I take this? I should take it, right? That's right on 6 p.m. So it closes above SMA. It takes out this gap significantly, right? So I should take this. And then it's a nice run from here. That would be the target. It's about 35 pips. Stop loss goes here. About 5 pips, maybe. 130. 15 pips. I think 100 points is 10 pips, right? Yeah. Yeah. So this one was good. And then I think just holiday now. Nothing else in here. This one was not bad actually. Um, see, this is green, so I don't know if that's gonna bother me. Um, but here it's good. So if I enter here, maybe stop loss up here, take profit. Uh, 30, 30 looks pretty good. Here's another. I don't know if I take this, maybe a bit late for me, but from here back to here, that's 20. But this original one is not bad. Try to enter in here, right? As it's breaking out. It's right, right color at the right location, just below SMA. Even on a M5, it's pretty good. Oil, I want to sell. I think this again is a perfect 3 bar reversal. This one goes up and down. This closes, takes out this one, closes well below it. This was a pullback. This could be a pullback. And then maybe it starts to roll over Tuesday or something. That is a strong wick from 200 SMA. And it's gone out of the outer band. All right. Didn't close under it, but the next one has closed below it. Hmm. I think this, I didn't notice that it's wicked through the 200 SMA. So it's wicked through the outer band, closing back inside, and then it's wicked through the SMA 200. What day was this? This is 115. One is 115. Thursday. Let's see. That. I think I zoomed out a little bit. This this is 15th. Oh, Wicks all the way there. Closes just above the closing price. The 14th. This Then little bit consolidation. It's 30, 15, 255, 30. This was maybe too big and felt maybe there's nothing left. All this consolidation, don't know. Yeah. And this one I thought was also interesting. So first of all, it's an inside day, and then goes up, which is fine. Then it comes back down, which is good. And this is inside bar, right? So then try to get in. This is good enough. This is good enough to try to short, right? And then pulls back, which is good, and try to enter in here somewhere. And then I had a limit order here. So from here, I put my TP here, which is 40. And take stop loss could be here 20 to 40, right? About 40. So 5. Hmm, Keeping up a bit. Hit this one. It's broken down, broken down, broken down. So maybe somehow here, maybe here. Hold on to it through this. Breaks down, breaks down. Maybe go break even now. Then take the TP from here to here. Which is not bad. Almost 30. But if it doesn't hit, pulls back, then it's coming down. Then maybe try to trail it somehow. I don't know. Bit tricky, but it's there. This one I put limit order also here, here. I have my stop loss here. I kept thinking that I don't really trade like this with the limit order. And I thought that it's never worked for me in the past. So very similar to your AUD. That's pretty much it. It's okay. Um, this one I thought was interesting. And I did take it in here. I don't know why it hasn't hit my take profit. I think I don't know. Spread is okay. CAD, CHF, don't know. I entered now here because of the spin bar right at the SMA. So I think this was good. What time? 11, 11, 11, it's 4 a.m. I think maybe around here. Yeah, this one 4:30. Yeah, 4:30, close to 5. And then I put my take profit here. Don't know why it didn't go through, but I thought that why not? Because profit is too small. 10 pips. That's 10 pips. So that's why not. Then I have it for this one, which is similar. So that's why I entered these two. Not bad, not bad. So the spin bar closes down here, entered here. So 15 pips, 200, 15. So maybe could have taken it. Maybe could have taken it. I had come here almost, but it's not. It's not nowhere near close. Maybe could have taken it, right? USD CHF. I think um Looks good on the daily. H1, FI, mm, order, risk, lending, sell. Think here, right? Um, Stop loss would be here. That would be the order. And take profit. Take profit would be that I would do maybe, I don't know, somewhere. I don't know. This one maybe. Just there. Seems bit too little. Um, and then there's the size, price, risk, value. It's still too little. How much? It's one lot. If I do it here, it's, the risk is higher than the profit. So it comes down to 500. Oh, to 400. How much? 2.26. That's okay. If I do 550, that's still not good enough. How much? Almost 3. If I do 600, 3. If I do 650, now it's coming down to 520, 15, 630, 500, 6, let's say 625, 625, then it's about 500. Size is 3 lot, shows 3%. I've done 3 lot, which is okay, but risk is also 600, which is a bit too much. But it's going. So Did enter here. Very little, if any, drawdown, right? So that's something to take note of. It's taken its time. This is hourly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5 hours. 5 hours for 10 pips, 20, 15 pips. I think I think the setup is there, so then I could take it, right? Maybe try to hold on to it somehow. I don't know how, but setup is there, right? These two pin bars are nice. I have taken it on Euro USD. I don't know if I can pull it here. Um, 2 times nothing. I would have to find it. Was it here? No, I don't know if I have it. Was it on H4? This one. I think it was this one. Wow. See, that's only 10 pips on H4. It does go a long way. 50. If I hold on to it, 60, right? It does go a long way. So setup is there. Movement is pretty good. Goes a long way on H4. Um, Pulls back are little, 5 to 10 pips. So this one is maybe the strongest. It's 10 pips. And this one, 15 pips. So 10 to 15 pips pullback, right? This one, 30, 30 pips. So the more it moves, the bigger the pullback, right? I think I took it here. I think I took it here. Same setup, right? Pin bar to SMA, right? So I think this one, yep, exactly same. I think could have taken this, could have maybe over here, maybe a little bit here. I think the 1-to-1 risk to reward. Maybe that's why. But I think the setup is good. Setup is very strong, very good. This should be my go-to setup on h4. That's an inside bar. It's an outside sort of. Closes red. And I think this is where I'm entering. Could have taken. So instead of going for the limit order, which I put it here, I think could have taken this. So this here, even this 12, that's 5, I think. 12. I was at the screen. So why didn't I take it? I think mostly because of 1-to-1. Risk being 600, 650, and then reward being 500. But I think this is one of my best setups. So I should have gone for it. All right, that's it. Just some reviews. Otherwise, the market